Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is JMeter, why JMeter, and advantages of JMeter. Let's see what is JMeter. JMeter is an open source performance testing tool developed by Apache. You can use JMeter to test website, web application, APIs, databases, file transfer protocol services, messages queues, etc. It allows us to simulate multiple virtual users and measure response time, throughput, error, and stability. Next is why JMeter? There are many performance tools in the market. Lowrunner, Loctus, K6, Gatling. Still JMeter is one of the most popular choice. Why? There are just some reason. JMeter is open source and free. JMeter is easy to learn, wide usage in the industry, supports multiple protocols, community support. Let's see advantages of JMeter. First is a cross-platform. Works on the Windows, Linux, Mac. We just required the Java. Second is a scalable load. You can simulate thousands of users using distributed testing. Third is a powerful reporting. Graph, summary reports, listeners. Fourth is a extensible with plugins. You can add custom graphs, advanced listener, extra features. Fifth is a integration friendly. Works with the CI/CD pipeline, version control, cloud, and last is a API testing friendly. JMeter is excellent for the API testing performance. That's it. Thank you.